Pitan tayo. Day 2. Yakin ko na lang mamaya. Uy. My gosh. Right. But I'm breaking my habit 'cause you better start moving and feel the music. Get your groove on and let it use you. When you feel the fire, then you know it's right. It's camping time, but we're running out of time because it's already night. Ashley is wearing his shoes pa.
You don't picture.
This is a new spot. It's our first time to go here. Say hi. We're squeezing here. Yeah. Come on, just dance. Just dance.
Sorry, mata-mata. Oh my God! Oh!
Kape.
Diretsuhin pa to o liliko ka? Ano sir? Kaya pa sir?
Just arrived at the campsite. Maligpit na tayo, mami. Tatayo ng tent.
Buti hindi ka nakalimot na electric fan.
Ikaw ba kayo? May electric fan? Wala. Pambihira. Prepare, prepare.
Ganun o. Ganyan o, apat.
So we'll just unload our things, then we can build our tent. No.
Naman mapatay niyan. Amen.
So this is the hardest. Say hi to the camera. Procrastinate. Woohoo! Round of applause to the procrastinate.
Welcome guys. We're back at it again. For how many months? More half a year. Oh, back to you.
Tatayo lang namin yung tent namin. We will explore this place. Napasok na. Why camping is fun?
Why?
Because we will put up the tent together. Sawada block. Insert mo muna, mami, yung may yung walang velcro. Yung velcro, yung may ganun ba? Tapos ito na, yung may velcro na.
Hala, Daddy! Ito pala yung block.
What they forgot? Oh, they forgot the stick.
Putasan pa natin. So here's the light! This will serve us our source of light here inside the tent.
The main source of light.
Yeah.
And after that, we're gonna put carpet. Open all the windows. It's not hot inside.
Hi.
It's time for our bed.
Should I just remove?
Yeah. Okay, Kuya, here's your bed. This is our coma bed. All you need to do is open this one so that air will come in. With the help of the pump, we will inflate it. So let's help Kuya Tyler to set up his bed.
I just need to put some.
Okay, all you need to do is lie it down. You already forgot? Go. Okay.
Not well. It's not so down like the last time.
Tonight it's quite hot. Thank you. We have our mini electric fan. Everyone's busy to set up their own tent.
TAUTLIN. Top line heat.
Time for the chair and table. Right. One down. Done. Hard part in camping is assemble thing. Putting up tent, putting up tarp. Nice. Okay, done. And my light. Whew, finally done. Tomorrow is another day. Okay, so eating time guys. After a very tiresome setup. Anong tawag dito sa Costco? So this is what camping feels like. Tomorrow we will have a tour here. Kuya Tyler, what does it say?
Public.
Camping here in Taiwan is very convenient. As you could see, very convenient camping. There's a shower room, a comfort room, and there's a ref. There are lights here. This is what camping in Taiwan. It's our first time here.
Kailan last yung camping ko yan?
3 weeks ago. Tayo inamag na, no?
Parang fire show pala to pare kuya. Back to camping.
Back camping season. Season ng beef at saka whiskey.
Sarap. Lambot.
Bumili kayo kanina.
After how many months?
We're back at it again.
Let's drink.
Cheers.
May 4 cup.
Four. Alright, bagong gising. New life. Noodles is good for the morning. For those who drink too much. Ano pa na luto? Tent assessment, right?
How are you today?
Headache because of the camping site. Feel refreshed. This is an APS-C lid.
Just the context of last night.
Show them reason. No sleep.
Magkar-camping na susunod. Discuss paano i-convert yung CRV to car-camping.
The veteran. Pornhub Nirvana. Pagawa na natin ng plywood. Ha? Pagawa na natin ng plywood. Yeah, every day as morning, we're gonna get our tiramisu and our salad. This one? Yeah, this one. Second camping of 2024. Brown gum. Is that you? Really? Swipe up. It's not working. There's the problem with the DJI Osmo 4. Sorry for the delay. Happy birthday to you. Kiss each other. Kiss each other. Alright. What do you like for your birthday?
Toy.
What toys?
You're already in the end, you're saying.
Stand by, Kuya Tayo.
Stand by.
Don't go anywhere. 我喜欢啤酒，
我喜欢冰淇淋，
我喜欢
我也喜欢。Daki. Ito biyahe pare ko.
Ayos lang. Gabi kayo dumating.
So this is our last day in camping. Morning.
Can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you.
So later I will share the name of the campsite near from Kaohsiung, and not too hot because of the trees surrounding it.
Hey, girl, you better take care. That man is trouble if that's me. Go deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops.
Morning, tita.
Now that you got me started,
Morning, coffee muna kayo.
no,
Puto with salted egg and pork by Margie Ledesma. So may pork sa gitna. Light breakfast. This is what camping feels like in the morning. This is the part where kind of the hard part of the camping, because you need to disassemble all your things and try to fit back all together. Sometimes the reality is we go home, our things will no longer fit in our car.
just can't quit you now 'cause I love you. Yes, I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let you go, baby. 'Cause I love you, I love you, I love you.
I love your boy. DJI, I mean, si Jacob naman.
I do. Your eyes are like oceans. Wave after wave, you are pulling me in. My true love and devotion. I'll spend eternity and only begin to see our love forever.
Diba? Oh. So underdeveloped. In the woods, too far away if we're gonna go there. So we don't know what's there.
Any unexpected adventure waiting or lurking. We can still have a little
Yeah.
adventure us build our
Right.
channel.
So that we can buy FX3. Yeah, support us. Right. Should bring mosquito repellent when you go camping in the woods. They're still here.
Oh, there's a sign that says no wandering around the wood.
Parang bawal na. Oo.
Beast boy.
Morning. Siyempre. Morning, madam. So another breakfast.
When I was young, I had it all planned out.
Getting ready for going home. While waiting for them to finish eating, I'm gonna pack some stuff.
If I don't, that's when you say, hey, my love will nowhere near the end.
One of the hardest part in camping is the packing time again.
Where you ain't seen nothing.
Mention this one so that we can have lights. This is why Sawada tent is a good tent, because there are a lot of windows. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I swear you ain't seen nothing yet.
It's time for the bed.
This life is heavy with an overload. Like every door I see is shut. But when we're sinking
Done.
to our deepest low, we've got nowhere to go but up.
dito kami lagi nagtatagal sa ligpita kasi magdi-disassemble ka pa ng mga gamit.
I swear you ain't seen nothing yet. So I went down to the water, found my faith, because I don't wanna be stuck in the good old days. That's when you say, hey, I swear you ain't seen nothing yet.
The facilities of the camping site are there's electricity, hot water, cold water, post light on every tent area. There's a sink in every station. There's a lot of bathrooms. There's 2 ref, nice area, full of woods. There's a lot of people going here because it's near Kaohsiung. The camp area is covered with gravel. Dito. So that's it. That's it, pansit. Tally, go tally, go tally. Hindi mo na kailangan naman. Okay.
I swear you ain't seen nothing yet. So I
Oh, sa baba. Whew, tired. Final stage 4. We fold our Sawada tent. We're gonna close all the windows halfway so that when you fold the tent, there's still air. Close this one.
I swear you ain't seen nothing yet.
Back. Nice, nice. This one. Good. Yan, bawsin na. Wait lang ah. Yan, full. Yan. Yan, put down na.
Oh no, you ain't seen nothing yet. When I was young, I had it all planned out. That something big was down the road. I really thought I'd have it all by now. And I'd be a failure if I don't. That's when you say, hey, my love will nowhere near the end. There'll come a day, hey, I swear you ain't seen nothing yet. So I went down to the water and found my fate, because I don't wanna be stuck in the good old days. That's when you say,
Right.
hey, I swear you ain't seen nothing yet. This life is heavy with an overload. Like every door I see
Ligo time.
you stuck.
Sorry guys. I found it.
Ikaw ba talaga?
Thank you, pare ko. I know you found it. I also found it.
We found each other.
Ayos. Sarap. Everything's clean.
How about your brief?
It was vice versa. Yeah, side A, side B. Alright. Magkano? Pinsan mo, hindi mo inaano
I swear you ain't seen nothing yet.
Hindi naman lagayan ng ice yun, lagayan ng tubig. So,
The good old days. That's when you say, I swear you ain't seen nothing yet.
okay, let's go. Pare ko, bye-bye. Bye, ingat kayo ha. Right, see you guys.
Oh, I went down to the water and found my faith. Bowed my head for the blessings that come my way. There'll come a day, I swear you ain't seen nothing yet. So I went down to the water and found my faith, because I don't wanna be stuck in the good old